Today is sketchbook time, and we're getting out this sketchbook to paint as many trees as possible. So let's dive in. Today in this video, we are challenging ourselves to paint as many trees as possible all over these 2 pages. So let's dive in and see how many we can create. First off, we need our paints. I cleaned up this palette just for this, so let's go in to creating our greens. I want to get a variety of greens from luminous down to a little bit darker. So let's see how this goes. This one. This is the dark green here. My Carolyn. I also have this palette that I'm going to be using today. This palette came from a previous video. If you saw my color mixing video, if you haven't seen that yet, go check that out. You'll see how we mix these colors. Okay, tree number 1. Let's start out pretty simple with, let's do the Lumo-ish colors. We'll go very, very light. Let's just start over here. We'll just go very simply, like just skipping around with my brush. Okay. And then let's lift an area or 2. Okay. Then let's go in with a nice juicy dark green. Tap my brush off. Now let's pull that away. Okay, green, and we'll do some little ball-shaped trees. Or more like long shapes, not really ball. Let's get them to touch a little bit. Trees standing in a line. Amazing. Again, touch up the sides where I want my darks to be. Let's get the light coming from that side. Now that that's dried a little bit over there, let's see what I can do with a super, super dark green, just green and a bit of brown there for that little stem. Let's just do that. Okay, just haphazard, no big deal. And same thing with the tree trunks, and then let's thicken them on the bottom, just like that. Working quite fast here because the sketchbook paper is really, really unforgiving, so we're just working with it. Let's do something similar to that. Let's actually use this small Princeton brush, number 2 round Princeton Neptune, and let's do this green here. We'll just do these little jagged pieces, and then we will go in a little bit darker here, just tapping down. And then let's go super dark at the bottom, leaving some white spaces in between. Let's not let the paint pull too much, otherwise it's going to look strange. And let's just jagger that out a little bit. Okay, and then let's do our brown stem right here. This is thicker at the bottom. Okay, and then let's just drag it with the water a little bit. Okay, maybe it's too thick, I don't know. Let's just fluff up that tree a bit more there at the bottom to balance. Okay, that's pretty cool. It works. And then how about next tree? The Dalarani brush. And let's do something a little bit more orange. So let's go in here like this. And let's add in that. So I've got a sort of an orangey color. But then let's yellow it up a bit more with this one. I think this is a permanent yellow here. So permanent yellow there. And let's just do that. Okay. Then we will do a bit of that. Okay. And we will blend it out. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Alright, that works. And then let's tap in some dark here, just to give it the dimension we want. And let's just fade out a bit. Okay, it's alright. Let's just tap in a bit there like that. Now let's do this. Let's drag that down like that with the back of the paintbrush to create some texture. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try something else. Let's do a little bit of a shape, like a puffy cloud kind of shape, and then blend it out with water to wet it up nicely. Let's see if we can go here. Is it again? And let's put another big one here like that. And then let's go and let's maybe add in just that to balance it there. Let's see what happens. And then let's do some darks. Let's just drop in the darks here and hopefully that blends out. Just drag that. Just very loosely dropping color in, no big deal. Let's drop this to the side here. Okay. And then let's drop the brushes. Sorry, it's just a bit. This little corner over here, and what kind of tree should we do next? This orangey color that I've got here, my palette. Something maybe a little bit abstract-ish. Let's start to fill this page, and let's go back to this pointed brush. Okay, so we're just going in with the clear water here, and let's do the color drop in. Something that, let's go in right underneath. Okay. So try and do one of those like jaggedy, like fir trees almost. kind of making it go like this as we go out. I'm also getting thicker with my branches as I get to the bottom here. Okay. Okay, liking that. Now for the long stem trunk situation. A bit thicker as I go to the bottom. Okay, whatever. Should have just dragged it down, but that's okay. Anyway. Next. Now let's go in over here. Let's do a kind of a skippy tree. Is that even a word? Skippy tree, seriously. Okay, so let's go like that. Start off at the top. And then I'm just holding my brush way towards the back so that I can get some very loose strokes happening. Let's leave it at that. Let's just dip in a little bit more with some of the weight of the color. Or maybe we should try this turquoise. Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, why not? Another one of these, I don't know, what's it, abstract something. Let's give it a top there. And then let's lift out some of the center. Give it some dimension. And then let's do the orange. Let's go in with the orange here. Push that in. And let's give it some pump of color there. Okay. Looks like a little Hershey's kiss. Let's actually use this green. I don't think we used this green yet. Next green. And also I've got all these little spots here, so let's work with that and let's okay, let's drag that around. Let's just cross to the stem trunk with a turquoise color, and let's see how we can emphasize there a little bit. Just like that. Maybe we can add a little turquoise too. Just give it an extra. Okay. That is a pretty good tree, I think. Maybe it needs a little bit more dimension there, and we'll just give it something else over there. Just tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's leave that alone. Now let's do just the water. Oh, that's a little bit much. Another bit of dragging around kind of tree. Okay. And then let's just drop in random spots of color all over the place. I promise you'll see in a moment where this is going. Do you have an idea? Grab the spray bottle. Let's grab our spray bottle and let's mess it up. Okay. I guess. Situation. Okay, that's pretty cool. And here we go, the 12 trees that we managed to create today. 2 spreads, a bunch of trees, many different ways. So I hope that you found some inspiration from this and you try it out for yourself. Let me know in the comments down below. Comment tree if you're still watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!